Have you been waiting for an absolutely beautiful house here in Hudsonville that is really set up for entertaining? Then this just might be the house for you. I really think you're going to like this kitchen. We've got the center island, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a very large walk-in pantry, tile backsplash. It is just very nice. Well, thanks so much for taking the tour. We really hope you get a chance to come out and see this one for yourself.